Hello traders, welcome to Omega Stock Pro, and today is 19th of August, and we have selected three stocks basically because three stocks are fitting into the strategy, so I took three stocks. So let us see how what is the trading scenario and how it will go tomorrow. The first stock which I have selected is TVS Motor is already here. Okay, I'll explain about this. Um, Stock is actually in an uptrend, and we don't know it is a doji nowadays. These dojis and all are not working, so we need to take the levels with a scientific method. But anyway, and see, it has closed just very closer to the previous day close, and for me this type of stocks works well. Because there is a huge volatility but there is no movement in the price, so that fits very good in my strategy. So because the price is very closer to our buying price or selling price, so that is why if the stocks close here, we do not know whether the stock will go upside or downside. We don't know. Let us see what happened in the 30-minute chart. See, early morning what will happen. See, this momentum, people may think that okay, early morning, we don't know whether the stock will go upside or downside until we have a level with the scientific method. Because um, it moved up and again within first just gave a false signal on the upside and it keep on coming down. What will happen to the person who have bought it? The price will not reach there at all. So anyway, uh, for tomorrow I'll post the levels on the Telegram group, so you can see the Telegram. You can see Omega Stock Pro is our channel name with the big alpha symbol, and you can join in that. That is for free. Okay, the next stock I have selected is, one minute, NIIT Tech. So NIIT Tech also fits very fine in the strategy because there is a huge selling pressure on the upper side. See the wick on the upper side. If something bad comes, NIIT Tech will crash like anything. But we don't know whether the stock will give a upside breakout or downside breakout. We don't know whether the buyer is accumulating or distributing here. For people, while we see the stock by this like this, we may think that somebody is distributing here. We do not know, but in the other case, if you see, this candle has been formed, and within this range, just above 50% of this candle range, it is consolidating. So either it will come down or it may give a breakout to the upper side. We don't know, but I'll post the levels which I have taken. I have taken the volatility report, and based on the volatility report, I will check. I will take the levels from which side it will give a breakout or breakdown, so we can trade on the same side. And another stock I have selected is Ramco Cement. Just a moment, friends. Yes. And here is another stock, and it was a fall, so took all the stop losses of the bears and see how the stock gave a good move on the upside, and again it sustained in the same range and it has consolidated. This is very good. It has hold it closed just above but not very far. So in this scenario also, we can see tomorrow, we can see the levels, what the levels will come out, and so that we can take the position. Friends, I am making this video for educational purpose, how to select the stocks and how to trade it. So how the levels are taken, that I cannot show on the screen, uh, but I can help you how beautifully it is working. Today two stocks we have taken. One was Sun Pharma, and Sun Pharma will take a 30-minute chart. So 30-minute chart is buy above 3 530 point something, and this was the level. See how much gap it opened, 527 to 529. It is a very volatile stock. Until it comes, it has to very slowly. If I take the 5-minute chart also, 5 minute generally I don't take. 30-minute chart is very comfortable for intraday trading because all the false signals is taken away. See how the stock has opened a gap up. If the stock opens somewhere around here flat, and it keeps on consolidating here, then gives a breakout. That is a very beautiful scenario to trade. Or if it is the sell side also, in the sell side what will happen, if the stock opens somewhere here and just flat within 1 or 2 rupees somewhere here, and slowly the stock moves consolidate, it gave a big move up. Those who have taken BTST, they sold out and they exited. So this is the, I always tell to keep one indicator, that is volume weighted average price. It has closed, wait the price to sustain that. Don't be in urgent, it is not going to fly anywhere. So if see there is a big wick, see it has, that means what, somebody is selling. So let that selling come to an end, and slowly if the stock comes and they again regains the momentum, then it will give a very good breakout on the upper side. And another stock which we selected was uh, what was the stock, just a moment, Hero Motorcorp. Buy level was 2936. Stock, this one also opened gap up severely, and it went up and it came down, and it came down, selling was there, it sustained here, came on half an hour chart, it closed here. See beautifully, it has taken support 2935 and made an up to the 8 rupees or whatever it is, 8 rupees or 235, 13 rupees upside it has given. So if we buy at our level, then we are very very safe. What sorry, what we think, the market may see this has gave a downward momentum. What happened, it opened a gap of everybody's stop loss triggered on the futures. So it came down slowly. If they are selling, they will average out and they book the profit. So everybody, operators are playing very severely in this market. We have to be very keen with our levels. We need to understand the price action, everything we have to see, and blindly we cannot go and buy anything anywhere and everywhere. So we should not do that. Until and unless we learn price action, is the price sustaining there, then only we can slowly. Even today morning, this all these stocks generally I trade in futures. So I was taking the case, to open the gap up. Gap up means it has to open somewhere here and give a breakout at our, then it is a very beautiful scenario to trade. Okay, so if the stocks are not fitting into the strategy, what happened today? Nifty also opened gap up, it did not sustain there, came down. So all these false signals we have to manage, because nowadays the new system people are playing with is very very difficult to take a trade. But in intraday trading, we must be comfortable with 5 to 6 rupees, 7 rupees, 8 rupees. Then in futures also it gives a very good move. So yes, surely our stop loss is very big. Why it is very big? Because in I have given so many stocks. Only out of these many days, only 1 or 2 stocks have stop loss triggered. Why I am keeping that? Because the volatility is that much. If I keep within the volatility range, what will happen? Our stop loss will be triggered. That is why most people's retail traders stop loss is triggered. So this is the problem. So friends, thinking to give for that is thinking to give Nifty options and Bank Nifty options futures levels. So please cooperate, keep sharing the channel. And if you like the video, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, so that other people, those who are struggling to find the select the stocks for intraday, they can freely access to our channel and get our levels. Okay friends, bye bye.